Fiji and the Department of Immigration. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you one and all to this official signing, and thank you for coming out this afternoon, especially all the members of the departments who are here this afternoon. The signing of the MOU today will not only enhance cooperation and collaboration between BAF and DOIE, but will formally materialize and improve the informal link that existed already between the two agencies at the border. This is indeed a huge milestone for BAF, as we will further strengthen the Biosecurity Authority of Fiji's efforts in border control, thus enhancing the protection of the Fiji's unique biodiversity, whilst improving the livelihoods of individual Fijians. DOIE has always been a significant partner of BAF at border control, and even without an MOU in place, both organizations have been working closely together in sharing information and collaborating the various indicated activities. This MOU will further strengthen this collaborative effort. Under the MOU, both agencies will be able to share facilities, resources, the common information, as well as present a unified approach to compliance and enforcement of biosecurity and DOA legislations. The benefits also extend to building of more opportunities for staff training and other joint ventures which Fiji as a whole will benefit. BAF will also help to train immigration officers in certain aspects of biosecurity inspections and border protection, and vice versa. Some of the benefits of BAF under the MOU will be immediate listing of passengers on the controversial list once found breaching biosecurity regulations. This will further enhance enforcement of biosecurity promulgations at the border, benefiting both organizations. The MOU with SOP will help BAF and DOIE to work together for the safety, security, and protection of Fiji and its flora and fauna. In addition, information sharing by both organizations may improve the implementation of respective legislations, as I mentioned earlier, which will benefit Fiji as whole nations. Mr. Vuniwaqa and your team, I must thank you, and through our new collaboration, we hope to see more improved and better coordinated drills in border protections in the near future. With that, thank you very much, and Vinaka.
First of all, I'd like to thank and allude to the address that has been delivered by the Executive Chairman of Biosecurity Authority of Fiji on the signing of the MOU. No, it is indeed, this time is long awaited for. We have been dealing with the draft and also coming up with ensuring that aligning it to the legislations that are in place. Know that the information sharing is one of the most important aspects of achieving our aims and the outcomes of our role in achieving the security of our borders. In terms of the collaboration of efforts in the borders, at our borders, we know that it is not the tasks that should be achieved at the borders will not achieved by only one organization, but by all. And in the signing of this MOU, we know that it will enhance the work that needs to be done, enhance the services that we'll provide to members of the public and travelers that will be coming from abroad to and fro, and also enhancing the capabilities that we'll show in providing security at our borders. I'd like to thank the team that has been putting this MOU together and also working together from both the Department of Immigration and also the Biosecurity Authority. Know that there's a lot of criticisms being shown, and also words that have been said about during the draft and also the consultations being made. I know we've come to the day that we are going to sign the MOU, and we must also applaud the efforts being made. With those words, I know that we will have, this is a significant milestone for both the Biosecurity Authority of Fiji and also the Department of Immigration, as this is the first MOU that we'll be signing with respect of our roles at the borders. There's been a lot of MOUs being signed by other border control stakeholders for the Biosecurity Authority and with Mr. Xavier and his team. I'd like to thank you for coming with the initiative, and also the Department of Immigration. There are more MOUs and more agreements and understanding that we need to partake in order to conduct our role effectively. With those words, thank you once again, and we hope that we'll all benefit from this signing of this MOU. Naka.